Hello YouTube, welcome back. I'm Easy B. This is Easy B Tactical. Thanks for watching the channel. If you love it, subscribe, sign up for notification. Today you get to be a witness of me unboxing one of my dream guns. You already know it, HK MP5. Unfortunately, it's not the MP5 in 9mm. This is the HK MP5 in 22 caliber long rifle. However, it's still an HK product. I don't have that many HK items. They're very expensive, I think. I love the MP5. I wish I had an original one, maybe one day. But anyway, I went to a store and I saw this one. I had a great deal. This is the best, the closest I can get right now for justifying to get an HK MP5. Let's take a look at this one. This is HK MP5 22 long rifle. I will have to play with this and be content with it for now until I win the lottery or find a way to get a real HK MP5. Anyway, unboxing. What do you get in the box? This is the version. I know they have a couple of versions. This is the version with the retractable slide stock versus the pistol version. They also have a regular pistol version, but this one has the retractable stock. It says HK, no compromise for sure. They don't hesitate to charge a premium for the product, which I understand. I like German stuff. Anyway, you get a lot of cardboard in the box. Let's flip this over real quick. You get the HK MP5. Beauty. It's a beautiful gun, even in 22 rifle. So what do we have here real quick? Lots of cartons. So let's take this out for now. Pull this up. Okay, bring this out. Put it right here. What do we get? You get manual. You got a cable lock, some wrenches, keys, Allen wrench. You get one puny magazine, folks. Come on, HK. One mag. That's what you get. One mag. And you get the manual for the HK MP5 22 operator's manual. As I mentioned, this is a semi-automatic rifle chambered in 22 caliber. Before we all get excited, as some of you may already know, let's put this back here. But anyway, it comes with a single magazine, and let's put the box away. Single mag. There's a chamber flag, of course, unloaded. No magazine. I'm sorry, no ammunition anywhere. The magazine is empty. This is a 22 caliber rifle, and it does not require a stamp because, of course, this is not a real suppressor. This is a fake suppressor. So technically, this is a 22. This is an HK MP5 SD integrated suppressor, or it looks like it, but it's not a real suppressor. It's a fake suppressor that is hiding a very hideous, skinny, and I think I scratched it with my ring, barrel. Look at this barrel. Oh my gosh. It's really ugly once you remove it. A tiny, puny, skinny barrel. I may have to SBR this and have it threaded to do a real suppressor mount. That will cost me a couple of stamps as well, of course. But anyway, for now, we'll play as is. Fake suppressor, 22 caliber. It does have the real action of an HK MP5, which you can slap here. Hopefully I'm in focus. Safety, fire and safety, doesn't have a truce here. Deployable stock, push the button, pull out, mount it, aim, good to go. It does feel like the real deal, but of course it's plastic and all that stuff. But the manual of arms, the operation, the motion. This is made by Umarex. It's a company that makes a lot of airsoft items. They have license and machine to make the real product from HK. So although it's a Umarex, it's a true HK product and sold under the brand and everything of HK. It's got the same rear turret sights. I wish they put markings on this. I may go crazy and buy a part from an actual HK turret sight and mount it here, just like I have on my clones of PTRs and my HK MP5 clones. So I may just improve this to make it as real as possible. You have a couple of attachments here for a sling, just typical, like just like the real one right here, and then one eyelet right here on the front side. Same front side with the hood protection here. Hopefully you can see. Adjustable rear sights by rotating the turret, of course, just like a real MP5. And what else? Magazine release, 2 magazine release, 1 button and 1 tab, the flap here. So you can release like this, or you can release like this. Of course, 22 caliber. The magazine has the same size of a real HK mag, kind of, but of course the inside is for 22 caliber. So put it in, put it out, slap it. You can still slap this one. Oh, of course I have a magazine, so it didn't release, but I like it. I like the way it feels. It's gonna be a good toy to play with for now, until I can get a real MP5 one of these days. Full automatic, auto series. Those are crazy price. They go like for 45, 50K for a real one prior to the ban legally. This is the HK MP5 22 caliber rifle built by Umarex, sold as HK MP5. The real deal, but in 22 caliber. It's okay for now. I'll live through it. So stay tuned for more videos of me shooting this and having fun with this gun at a range nearby. So I'll have to remove the magazine before I can let that slide rock forward. HK MP5 22 caliber. There you go. Very nice. If you like the channel, subscribe, post a comment. What do you think of this barrel? Should I thread it? Should I have it threaded? Should I cut it? Should I turn this into a true SBR short barrel rifle? Although it's gonna cost me another 400 bucks. Should I mount a suppressor on this? I would love to really cut the barrel, find someone, or just cut it enough where I can actually slide a suppressor and then have a real SD22 caliber pistol. That would be a fun project. But let me know what you think. Do you have one of these? What do you think? Do you think it's the real deal even though it's made by Umarex? Are you one of the HK hardcore fan who will consider this a non-real HK product? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So I will post some videos once I get to shoot it, and hopefully we'll play with it. I like to play with 22. It's much more affordable, even though ammo overall is crazy price. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Next time.